Here I have Samsung Galaxy F23, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly you have to hold down power key, and after turn off, firstly you have to hold down power key plus volume down for about a second like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key, volume down, and screenshot will be taken. You can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshot album. And here it is. Here you can find our screenshots. And from here you can share, edit or delete these screenshots. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.